Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Reagan, and today we are going to be unboxing the makeup. We're going to be unboxing the Medusa's makeup beauty box. This is a cruelty-free and vegan box. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to jump right into it. So let's see here, and it does come with a little pamphlet that tells you the price of everything. The first thing in the box is this tropical matte eyeshadow in the color Aruba. This is what it looks like. This retails for $9. The next thing in the box is the Witch Lash Mascara. This retails for $8. Let's see here. Next thing in the box is the XOXO Perfume. This is what it looks like. I actually tried this on and it smells so good. It's kind of a sweet smell, which I normally don't go for, but for some reason I just love the way that that one smells. And that retails for $16. And then the last thing in the box is the Mystical Eye Dust in Ganesha. Go ahead and get that out. So this is what it looks like. It is kind of like a silver looking eyeshadow, loose powdered eyeshadow, and that retails for $11.95. So that is everything that was in this month's box. Not a whole lot to try on because I've already got like all the makeup on already. So just wanted to kind of open up the box, show you what's in it, so you have an idea if this is a box that you would want to look into and maybe subscribe to, especially if you are a cruelty-free kind of person and you want to make sure that you're getting makeup that has not been tested on animals. It is a great company to check out. You can do the beauty box, or you can just buy directly from them items off of their website, which is just at medusasmakeup.com. I'm not, this isn't a sponsored video or anything like that. It's just I really like this box a lot for the simple fact that it is vegan and cruelty free. That kind of subscription is hard to come by, so it's definitely worth looking into. So the overall value of the box was $44.95, which is pretty good considering you're only paying about $15 for the box. But I will leave all of the information for Medusa's makeup in the description box down below. Excuse me. So I want to thank you for watching today. If you have not already, go ahead and subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so that you'll be reminded the next time I upload. I cannot talk today. And if you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Again, thank you for watching, and you have a great day.